Okay, good evening. Sorry, sorry for the delay because of the traffic. Suddenly we got a little stuck up. So welcome all of you. I am thankful to Sanjay. He's a dear friend and a prolific filmmaker, as you all know, and we go a very, very long way. And actually, he had desired. Sanjay, why don't you sit? Long back, he told me he would love to come to the school and meet the students. So I took his time, and I'm thankful that he's with us today. So we will give you a little brief of some work of his. He's done a lot of work, and I have known Sanjay to be a very, very good craftsman. His editing skills, his shot taking is breathtaking. He is known for his being stylish in cinema. So I told my in-house editor to make an AV of his movies. So he picked up clips from his films and made an AV. When I looked at it, I told him, कि अगर संजय देखेगा तो मुझे मारेगा कि मेरी पिक्चरों का इतना गंदा कट बना के मेरे सामने दिखा रहा है. So please forgive me, but it is just to give them an idea, just a reminder to all of them that what is the kind of work you have done. So first we'll have a look at his AV and then we'll continue. AV चलाइए.
All of you.
आप पीछे देख सकते हैं संजय साहब को?
Actually, well, यहाँ बैठा good evening. Sorry for late getting up. So my journey, well, Hindi, English, no, I keep talking more comfortable talking English, but that's okay. So I'm a Bombay boy, like I say, born, brought up and spoiled in Bombay, and I've been to college over here. And the one thing I did was I was very clear that I wanted to be a filmmaker later in my later years, but क्योंकि पढ़ाई मैंडेटरी होती थी घर पे और हमारे पास तभी खाली कॉलेज था कि आर्ट्स है, कॉमर्स है और साइंस है. आईका नहीं हुआ करता था वो ज़माने में जैसा है. So we didn't have any of those things, but yes, I went to college, but started working simultaneously as an assistant director for 5 years that I was in college as well. So yeah, that's it. And then this was back in from 86 to 89, 90. And in 91, I signed my first film as a director, which was Atish for Mr. G.T. Sippy. And yeah, we made that film, and then of course it's been a long journey with ups and downs, which is part of any filmmaker. And yeah, that's in a nutshell. That's what I've done so far. It's still continuing. I'm lucky that I have survived this long, because generally the shelf life of directors in this film industry is not very long. I mean, a lot of people that I started out with are not, I don't even hear of them anymore. So which also, I guess, brings you to your first lesson in this field, that you have to constantly keep owning your talent, you have to constantly keep reinventing yourself, you have to constantly keep working on yourself. You have to be extremely aware of what is happening around you in the cinema that you belong to, which in my case is the Hindi film industry. But you need to know what is happening in the south, in the north, internationally, and by international it's not just Hollywood, but to keep abreast. And when we started, or rather when I started, it was very difficult doing all of this, sourcing movies. We had to wait for film festivals, and that too, jo wo dikhayenge humko dekhne milta. It was not what we wanted to see. But for you today, life has changed completely. You have access to whatever the hell you want. You can see whatever. So that is a key issue. How much time are you willing to devote to this? Because believe me, no amount of time is enough. There is so much to consume. There is so much to watch, read, travel, that it's an impossible task. But that's the only thing you have to keep doing. So I guess from here on, I think that's going
संजय, हम सब लोगों ने अपने इनिशियल डेज में स्ट्रगल किया है और जो भी स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं इनिशियली बहुत एंजाइटी होती है, हमें भी थी वो एंजाइटी। आप ज़रा इन्हें बताएं कि कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों से मैंने सुना है, बच्चों से भी सुना है कि टैलेंट आप में अंदर से होता है और अगर टैलेंट होता है तो आपका हो जाता है। हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज ट्रेनिंग?
I think training is most important, you know, and like I said that हम उतने खुशनसीब नहीं थे हमारे टाइम पे। जब मैं एक टीनेजर था कि I could walk into an academy like IITA or there was just a film institute, but it was very difficult. There was just one small and so हमारे पास कोई choice नहीं थी, तो हमको I became an assistant director because ऐसा तो नहीं होता कि आप एक दिन सुबह उठेंगे बोलेंगे चलो आज मैं डायरेक्टर बन जाता या मैं एक्टर बन जाता। No, there's a craft, there is a method. You may feel that you are born with talent, but believe me, talent will not even get you 20% where you're supposed to get. Actually, talent will get you nowhere unless that talent is born, unless that talent has been trained. You know how to use that talent. आपको लगेगा कि आपकी आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी है या मेरे एक्सप्रेशंस बहुत अच्छे हैं, पर वो कैसे यूज़ करना है, उसको कैसे मॉड्यूलेट करना है, वो सब तो आपको you will be taught, you will be trained, and you will have to learn. So that, in a sense, is very important. I think also more important is patience, because you cannot feel that हाँ मैंने 6 महीने का एक कोर्स कर लिया तो मैं रेडी हो गया, ऐसा नहीं होता है। And like I said, in the case of filmmaking, it never stops. And when you talk to really big actors, like when you talk to Amit Ji, you talk to Mr. Bachchan and he will tell you, yeah, I'm still learning. And he constantly say, मैं फिर ये नए जितने लोग आ रहे हैं इनको देख के सीखता हूँ, हर रोज कोई नई चीज सीख रहा हूँ, stuff like that. In my last film that I was shooting in Kabul, there was a very difficult scene that Hrithik had to perform. And हमने उसकी शूटिंग शाम को कुछ 4:30-5 बजे शूट की, शॉट आउट लगाया, सब वो आया, हमने 3 रिहर्सल्स की, and he just called me aside and he said, I have a request, can we back up today? Let's start this tomorrow morning because I feel I'm not ready. It's a very emotional scene, very powerful scene, and Hrithik Roshan is coming to me and telling me, I don't know how to do this scene. I don't know how to act it out. I'm just very confused. I said, I am there. I'm guiding you. He said, of course you are there. But I need to figure out in my head. And we actually packed up. And he went home. And he came back on set the next day. And he gave me the most amazing shot. It was a wonderful shot. The way he enacted the whole thing and everything. And then later that day, in between shots, I was sitting with him. And I said, now, मेरे को 2 बातें बता. कल तेरे को ये डर क्यों लग गया? You're such an accomplished actor. और तूने किया क्या उसके बाद में? So he told me, he said, डर लगा, but suddenly मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि how will I bring about the right emotion and more importantly, how people are doing it today. He said, I felt I was a little out of touch. कि my performance should not be a dated performance. ऐसे किया करते थे or whatever. So he actually went home that day and he watched Bajirao Mastani for Ranveer's performance. Yeah, he said, see, that's the graciousness also of the man to accept it. So many times मेरे साथ होता है, कल मुझे एक बहुत dramatic सा scene shoot करना है और समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So I'll sit at home, I'll watch movies, I'll go and watch a film जिसमें बहुत सारा drama था, just to trigger. You're not sitting there to say, oh no, I'll shoot it like this. No two things can be shot alike. But the fact that even Hrithik Roshan needs to go back. And the other thing you will be surprised, when I was shooting Shootout at Badala, so I'm shooting with John and Anil Kapoor were the 2 leads. Anil Kapoor, पहला दिन जब shoot पे आए, तो मैं उनकी van में गया उनको मिलने, and I'm talking to Anil, and there's another gentleman sitting with him. And he introduced me saying, something saab hai. I said, nice to meet you, whatever. Then I said, and he said, कि मैं यार scene rehearse कर रहा हूँ इनके साथ में, and then compared it to now, it's.
Anything else?
So I would like to ask that, as a director, what do you see in an actor? Actor knows what he has to do, he knows his job. But as a director, what do you
what I see is especially when the actor is reading for me, what I see, I try to see my character in that actor. When that actor is reading it, I am not looking at the actor. I am trying to find my character. I have a certain, an image. I have a certain mindset that when I write my script, also ये character ऐसा होगा, ये ऐसा होगा. कभी-कभी ये भी होता है कि when I see a movie, for example, I'll tell you, I saw the first half of Ugly, and when the movie started, वो चलिए उसमें गिरीश कुलकर्णी का एक सीन है और वो 14 मिनट का सीन है. Interrogation है पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर. He is playing a corrupt police officer. When I was writing Kabul, and I cast the same actor, the person who has played the role of the junior police inspector, the corrupt police inspector in Kabul, the dark short guy. His name is Girish Kulkarni. He's a very renowned actor from the Marathi film industry. But when I was writing the script, मेरे दिमाग में गिरीश ही था. And that's why I really pursued him. I said, ठीक है, वही था. At least I have the luxury of getting the same actor. And although he lives in Pune, and my producer felt, यार हर जब की shooting होगी लाना पड़ेगा, कराना पड़ेगा. ये वैसे नहीं सर, ये मेरे दिमाग में ये है. So sometimes it is that also. An established actor is in your mind, and you don't get that actor. If you're a new actor, you're trying to find that. It's very difficult for us also. Just imagine the character. कि कुछ ऐसा, unless there is a, in the script, कि इसकी बड़ी-बड़ी आँखें हैं और इसके कान ज़्यादा बाहर निकले हुए हैं, or whatever is that. So either you're looking for those things, otherwise it's, you're just trying to find your character. So that is why it's important for you as an actor to give me the character that you're reading, to make me connect that this is what you are looking for and this is what I can perform.
That you spend so much time. Excuse me. Okay. So, the passing out batch.
Very well, very good. Congratulations.
You by
Line one. Are you listening? Certificate. अरे प्रयास में बैटरी लाना है ना? आप बैटरी लाना, आप हाँ.
Mr. Kundan Gupta.
Acting course.
अरे यहाँ से मिल रहा है.
Mr. Shashi Jadhav.
क्या कर रहा है शासन?
Miss Reshma Mathias.
बैठ जा.
Miss Gitanjali. Singing.
Wow, that's wonderful. Congratulations.
Mrs. Sanjeev Khator. Singing. Miss Ankita Srivastav. Singing.
Okay guys, ready? ओके सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस आज आपका इधर पे बच्चों के साथ में, स्टूडेंट्स के साथ में, उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
यार मैंने भी शुरुआत वहीं से की थी एज अ स्टूडेंट ओनली, एंड वी यूज्ड टू ऑल्सो ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड. मुझे याद है जब मैं कॉलेज में था तो शेखर कपूर जी आए थे हमें टॉक देने, एंड इट वाज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग, एंड आई फेल्ट देन, आई सेड दैट्स अ वेरी गुड वे टू गिव बैक. वी लर्न सो मच, वी गेट सो मच फ्रॉम आवर बिजनेस, बट वी नीड टू टेक टाइम आउट. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक वॉट जैसे जो शशि जी कर रहे हैं, his main reason to do these academies and everything is to जो उन्हें इतना सब मिला है वो वापस देने का एक मौका होता है ये. So I'm just trying to follow in Shashi's footsteps.
ओके कितना बदलाव देखते हैं आप तब में और अब में?
It's a sea change, सब बदल गया है. तो वो मतलब आई एम लकी कि मैंने आई हैव बीन थ्रू दोज डिफरेंट फेजेस ऑफ द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, और वो ज़माने में मतलब बहुत फ़र्क है आज. एंड इट्स मच मोर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड आज, एंड इट्स मच मोर, इट्स फार मोर सीरियस टुडे.
And so your film have Hollywood style kind of basically when you see Kaante, Hollywood style काफी inspired ना से हुए थे. आप इस तरह की फिल्म बना कि जो स्टाइलिश होती है काफी स्टाइल वो भी.
नहीं वैसे वो यहीं से हुआ था, बिकॉज जैसे मैंने कहा पहले कि मैं आई वाज ऑलवेज अ बिग फैन ऑफ सर्टन फिल्म मेकर्स लाइक मुकुल आनंद, लाइक JP दत्ता, मणि रत्नम, एंड इन सब की भी फिल्में जो हैं दे आर एक्सट्रीमली स्टाइलाइज्ड, और मुझे वो अच्छा लगता था. एंड माई होल पॉइंट वाज जो खुद देखना पसंद है, इज़ व्हाट यू डू.
Sir, for you, self-satisfaction is more important, the creative satisfaction or the box office result is more important?
ऑल यू नीड अ बैलेंस ऑफ ऑल थ्री. सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्शन और क्रिएटिव सेटिस्फैक्शन होगी तब बॉक्स ऑफिस में जाके कुछ वो होगा, बिकॉज अगर आप कहीं डिससेटिस्फाइड हैं तो वो दिखता है.
ओके सर, इसके अलावा और क्या अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जो?
Right now, I'm not making any announcements on upcoming projects. We're working in my company, in White Feather Films. We're working on a couple of projects, and मेरा भी जो next जो मैं direct करने वाला हूँ, shortly we will make formal announcements, but it will be soon. Thank you.